Well, there it is, guys. Two birds with one stone. Alright guys, so heading back to my local junkyard, pick and pull for the 3rd gen Prelude. Hopefully the part that I wanted is still there. 3 weeks ago I was there, but kind of have to rush because of course my kids. Well, I'm going back. Hopefully the parts is still there. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, every time I'm over at the junk, I'm most excited. No way. Yo. '93 Volvo 940. Hell yeah. So it is hold on by some Phillip. Not gonna lie, I'm here for the parts for the Prelude, but came across this. You gotta have a extra lip. Pry off all the little clips. There it is. So these little tab or clip, just need to trim those off, and then it'll sit pretty good with the Prelude. Hell yeah. A 5th gen Prelude. Automatic. Whoa. The bumper's still there. Little scuff up, but I can always fix that. Oh, they got the cover already. I wanted that. Oh, they took the H emblem too. Well, at least the bumper is still there. Little test fit for you guys. There it is. Hell yeah. Well, there it is, guys. Two birds with one stone. Originally went for the Prelude bumper, but then came across the Volvo 940, and of course that lip fit perfect with the bumper. So alright, so I just got done putting my stuff away. That was a pretty quick run right there. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you guys in the next video.